Hi, good evening, everyone. How are you? Other questions from over? Yes. What are the questions? Question number 44. Okay. A is inversely proportional to the square of R. A is equal to 5 and R is equal to 0.3. Find the formula for A in terms of R. Right? As A is inversely proportional to the square of R means we write it like this. A is proportional to 1 over R square. So with the proportionality constant, we can write the equation as A equals K over R square. So to find that K, we have this A is 5 and R is 0.3, substitute that. A is 5. K over R is 0.3. 0.3 square. So 5 equals K over 0.3 square will be 0.09. 0.3 square is 0.09. Cross multiply. 5 into 0.09 will be 5 into 0.09 will be K. So K equals 0.45. Okay. Then we can rewrite the equation A equals K over R square. That can be written as A equals 0.45 over R square. Have you got this answer? Yes. Part B. Find the value of A when R is equal to 7.5A. Find the value of A when R is equal to 7.5. Now the equation is A equals 0.45 over R square. Okay. If I cross multiply, A into R square is equal to 0.45. A into R square is equal to 0.45. Now they have given R is equal to 7.5A. So I'll use that here. A into R square. R is 7.5A. That square. That is equal to 0.45. That is A into 7.5A square means this 7.5 square will be 56.25. 56.25 into A square. That is equal to 0.45. Okay. A into R square is equal to 0.45. And then R is equal to 7.5A. So we are using R equals 7.5A. So A into 7.5A square is equal to 0.45. So if you take off the brackets, 7.5 is 7.5 square is 56.25. A square is A square. So now we have A into A square. A into A square is A cube. That is equal to 0.45. Take the 56.25 to the other side, divided by 56.25. So 0.45 divided by 56.25 will be A cube equals 1 over 125. So A cube equals 1 over 125 means A equals, you take the side, cube root of 100. So that will be A equals 1 over or A equals 0.2 in decimal. Take it down. Anyone who got this answer? No. Understood. Any questions, anyone? What else? Is it the only question for homework? There's no? Right. There's 46. T is inversely proportional to m square. T is 30 when m is 0.5. Find the formula for T in terms of m. So we write the equation. T is inversely proportional to m square. That means it can be written as T equals K over m square. So to find the K, they have given the condition T is 30 when m is 0.5. Let's substitute that. 30 equals K over m square. That is 0.5 square. That is 30 equals K over 0.5 square is 0.25. Cross multiply, K equals 30 into 0.25. So K equals 30 into 0.25 is 7.5. Okay. So now we can rewrite the equation. The question is to find a formula for T in terms of m. So we can write the equation. T equals K over m square. That is 7.5 over m square. That is the T in terms of m. And then part B, work out the value of T when m is equal to 0.1. So now T is equal to 7.5 over m square. Okay. 7.5 over, now they have told m equals 0.1. So 7.5 over 0.1 square. That is 7.5. 0.1 square is 0.01. So 7.5 over 0.01 will be 750. Have you got this answer? Yes. Which one? 38. 38, yes. A is inversely proportional to C square. A is 40 when C is 1.5. Calculate the value of C when A is 1000. A is inversely proportional to C square means A is proportional to 1 over C square. That is A equals K over C square. So to find that, we have A is 40. K over C is 1.5 square. So K is equal to 40 into square of 1.5. Is it 90? K equals 90. Now we can rewrite this equation. A equals K over C square. A equals 90 over C square. Now the question is to calculate the value of C when A is 1000. Substitute A equals 1000. 1000 equals 90 over C square. Cross multiply. 1000 C square equals 90. C square equals 90 over 1000. Then is C square equals 9 over 100. So C is equal to square root of 9 over 100. That is 3 over 10 in fractions. Or in decimals, 0.3. Have you got 0.3? What's next? $51. Y is directly proportional to the cube of x. Y is 20 when x is equal to h. Find the formula for y in terms of x and h. Y is directly proportional to the cube of x. So that means y is proportional to x cube, which is y equals kx cube. To find the k, we have been told y is 28 when x is h. So I'll substitute that. 20h equals k into x is h, which is h cube. So from here we can get the k subjected, which is 20h over h cube. That is k equals 20 over h square. One of the h will cancel off, 20 over h square. Then put that k into this equation. Y equals kx cube. K is 20 over h square. 20 over h square into x cube. Correct. Got this answer? That will be the y in terms of x and h. $20x cube over h square. Okay. Then find x in terms of h. Find x in terms of h. when y is equal to 67.5h, substitute y equals 67.5h into this. So 67.5h is equal to 20 over x square into x cube. Okay. Find x in terms of h is the question. Cross multiply. 67.5h multiply with h square. That will make it 67.5 h cube. That is equal to 20x cube. If I get the x cube subjected from this, x cube equals 67.5 h cube divided by 20. 67.5 h cube divided by 20. 67.5 divided by 20 is 3.375. 3.375 into h cube is equal to x cube. Okay. Now you take this to subject the x. We have to find x in terms of h now. We take this cube to the other side, it becomes cube root. So x equals 3.375 h cube, the whole thing. We take the cube root. Okay. So cube root of 3.375 is 1.5. Cube root of h cube is h. So final answer is x equals 1.5h. Is that okay? Yes. For example. Any questions? Right. Right, guys, right on the next topic, ratio. Ratio. Right, guys, right on the question. In a school, there are 300 girls. In a school, there are 300 girls. Yes. Which question are you referring to, Naduni? Okay, wait. Write down this question first. In a school, there are 300 girls and 450 boys. 300 girls and 450 boys. Okay, full stop. Calculate the ratio. Calculate the ratio of girls to boys. Okay. Right, guys, look at the screen. Now, if we take the girls to boys ratio in this, girls to boys ratio, there are 300 girls and 450 boys. Okay. So when you're giving it as a ratio in the simplest form, we have to divide it and give it in the simplest ratio. We can divide 300 and 450 both by how much? By 50. By 50, if I divide, 300 divided by 50 will be 6. 450 divided by 50 will be 9. Can't we divide it further? Can. Divide by what? 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the ratio is 2:3. That means for every 2 girls, there will be 3 boys. 2:3 ratio. Understood? The number of girls to number of boys ratio is what we need to find in the simplest form. 300 girls, 450 boys. Okay. So we divide both the sides of the ratio by the same number. First I divided by 50, then it becomes 6:9. Okay. Then again we can divide 6 and 9 with 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the ratio is 2:3. Understood? Take it down. And then write down the next question. In a class, 25 students play football and 15 play cricket. 15 play cricket. Full stop. Calculate the ratio. Calculate the ratio. Number of students who play football to the number of students who play cricket. Get right? But the answer. They're asking calculate the ratio of the number of students who play football to number of students who play cricket. Football to cricket ratio. I'll take it as if face to see. How many play football? 25. So it is 25:50. So both the sides we can divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5:3. Is that okay? Right on the next one. Next question. In a farm, there are 150 hens, 200 ducks, and 300 goats. 150 hens, 200 ducks, and 300 goats. Full stop. Calculate the ratio of hens to ducks to goats. Now there are 3 items. Can you? What's the answer? Right, guys, I'll take it as now H is to D is to G. Hens to ducks to goats. 150 hens, 200 ducks, 300 goats. Now you should see, is there a common factor with which you can divide all 3 quantities, all 3 values? By what? Divide by 50. 150 divided by 50 is 3. 200 divided by 50 is 4. 300 divided by 50 is 6. 3 is to 4 is to 6. Yes? What is the answer? The next one. In a school, boys to girls ratio is 5 is to 7. Boys to girls ratio is 5 is to 7. Calculate the number of girls in the school if there are 3,600 students in total. If there are 3,600 students in total. Right, guys, look at this thing. Boys to girls ratio is 5 is to 7. Stop your work and look at this thing. Boys to girls ratio in this school is 5 is to 7. And there are 3,600 students in total. That means 5 is to 7 ratio means in the school, if there are 5 portions of boys, there are 7 portions of girls. That means in total, if we take 5 plus 7, 12 portions. Boys will be 5/12 of the total. Girls will be 7/12 of the total. From the total 12 portions, 5 portions is boys, 7 portions is girls. So that means from the total population, the number of boys is 5/12 and the number of girls is 7/12. Correct? So now the question is, calculate the number of girls in the school. So the number of girls in the school will be 3,600 into 7/12. That will be 2,100. Is that clear? Understood? Yes, sir. Right to the next one. A cake is made Okay. Right on the next question. A cake is made only by using flour, butter, and eggs. A cake is made only by using flour, butter, and eggs. Full stop. The ratio the ratio F is to B is to E. F is to B is to E. What is F is to B is to E? Flour to butter to eggs. Is 6 is to 3 is to 1. 6 is to 3 is to 1. Okay. This is my recipe of making cake. Yeah. You put 6 portions of flour, 3 portions of butter, 1 portion of egg.
So where's the sugar?
No, this is sugar-free cake, healthy cake. Listen.
Can you make this one?
Yeah, 1 day. Calculate the weight of butter. Calculate the weight of butter in the cake of 2 kilograms. If you take a 2 kilograms cake, what is the weight of the butter in it? Can you? Right. FB ratio is 6:3:1. Listen. So guys, if you take 6 plus 3 plus 1 in total, that is 10 portions. From the 10 portions, the proportion of flour is 6 out of 10. Butter is 3 out of 10. Egg is 1 out of 10. Correct? From the total. So if your total cake is having a mass of 2 kilograms, then the weight of butter in it will be 2 kilograms into 310. So 2 into 310 will be 0.6 kilograms. Yeah, if you are giving it in grams, it will be 600 grams. Is that okay? Understood? Right. The next one. A fruit salad is made using papaya, banana, and apple. Yeah, my ratios. A fruit salad is made using papaya, banana, and apple. Full stop. The ratio of P is to B is to A. P is to B is to A is 4 is to 3 is to 1. Full stop. Full stop. If there is 450 grams of banana in the fruit salad, if there is 450 grams of banana in the fruit salad, If there is 450 grams of banana in the fruit salad, come on. Calculate the weight of papaya and apple in it. Can you give a try? Give a try. Calculate the weight of papaya and apple separately. Calculate the weight of papaya and the weight of apple separately. How much papaya in it and how much apple in it is what you have to find. You got an answer? How much?
600 grams.
Sure. Right, guys. The ratio given P is to B is to A. Papaya to banana to apple. Papaya is 431. If there is 450 grams of banana we have 450 grams. Okay. Right, guys, now stop your work and listen to me carefully. Stop your work. Either you have done it or not, listen to me carefully. This would be the easiest method of doing this. Now, see guys, papaya 4 portions, banana 3 portions, apple 1 portion. This is what we have. For that ratio, they have told the banana that we have is 450 grams in that ratio. Then what is the amount of papaya and what is the amount of apple is the question. Now, banana is represented with 3 portions now. So, which means 3 portions in this ratio is equal to 450 grams. Correct? 3 portions is corresponding to 450 grams. Then 1 portion is how much? 450 divided by 3, which will be 150 grams. So now, if you look at the amount of papaya, how many portions is there? 4 portions, right? So 4 portions will be 4 into 150, 600 grams. Then the amount of apple will be 1 portion. So 1 portion is 150. So 1 into 150 will be 150 grams. Is actually understood. Take it out. Right on the next question. Wait, right. A bag has toy cars. The bag has toy cars. Full stop. There are red, blue, and green cars. Red, blue, and green cars. Full stop. The ratio of R is to B is to G. R is to B is to G is 3 is to 5 is to 2. R is to B is to G is 3 is to 5 is to 2. Full stop. If there are 8 green cars, calculate the number of red cars and blue cars. Yes. What is the answer? Red to blue to green ratio is given 3 is to 5 is to 2. Red is to blue is to green is 3 is to 5 is to 2. If there are 8 green cars is 8. Calculate the number of red and blue. Now guys, the green is 2 portions. No? 2 portions is 8 cars. 2 portions is 8 cars. Then 1 portion is 4 cars. Then the number of red cars will be 3 portions. No? Red is 3, right? So it will be 3 into 4. Red is 12 cars. Then the number of blue cars will be 5 into 4. That's 20 cars. Is that okay? Yes. Right. The next question. In a school, the boys to girls ratio. The boys to girls ratio is 5:4. Full stop. If there are 600 girls in the school, there are 600 girls in the school. Calculate the number of boys. Okay. The answer. Right, okay. There's easy. Boys to girls ratio is 5:4. If there are 600 girls in the school, girls is represented by 4 portions now. So 4 portions is 600 means 1 portion will be 600 over 4. Then the number of boys is 5 portions now. 600 over 4 you multiply by 5. That is how much? 750 boys. Yes. Got this answer. Right on the next question. In a school, boys to girls ratio is 5:7. In a school, boys to girls ratio is 5:7. Full stop. If there are 300 more girls than boys, if there are 300 more girls than boys, come on, calculate part A, the total number of students, part B, number of boys, part C, number of girls. Can you give it a try? Done. What is your answer? Right, okay. Guys, look at this. In a school, boys to girls ratio is 5:7. So, if there are 300 more girls than boys, calculate the total number of students. Now look at this. The boys portion is 5. There are 5 portions of boys and 7 portions of girls. 5 boys, 7 girls. So that's clear. There's more girls than boys. How many more? 300 more. There are 300 girls more than boys. Because if you look at this proportion, there are boys to girls ratio is 5:7. So that means in terms of proportion, the difference is 2. Difference is 2. So that means that two portions difference is what equal to 300. Understood? Boys to girls is 5:7. The difference is 2 portions. So 2 portions is 300. Then 1 portion is 150. Correct? So then they're asking the total number of students. Totally how many portions? 5 portions of boys, 7 portions of girls means total is how many portions? 12 portions. So then the total will be 12 into 150. That is 1,800 students in total. Understood. Then the number of boys will be, boys portion is 5 now. 5 into 150. 750. Then the number of girls will be 7 portions of girls, 7 into 150. How much is that? 1,050. Who got these answers?
Like this. Is there something wrong?
No problem. That's okay. Okay, guys, now take the tute. Page number 58, question number 30. Page 58, question 30. Your turn. Try the 30th one.
So what's the page?
Page 50. Right, okay. There's a 30th one. Last season, the number of goals scored by Arjun, by Simon, and by Kate for their football team were in the ratio 2:5. Simon scored 12 more goals than Arjun. Work out the number of goals scored by Kate. Guys, I'll take the ratio. Arjun to Simon to Kate. Ratio is 2:5:8. Simon scored 12 more goals than Arjun. Simon and Arjun, Simon is 2 portions, Arjun is sorry. Simon is 5 portions and Arjun is 2 portions. The difference between them is 3 portions. That difference of 3 portions is equal to 12 goals. Am I right? Simon scored 12 more goals than Arjun means. Arjun is 2 portions, Simon is 5 portions, the difference is 3 portions. The difference of 3 portions is equal to 12 goals. So that means 1 portion is equal to 12 divided by 3, 4 goals. So the question is the number of goals scored by Kit, that is, he has scored 8 portions. 8 into 4, 32 goals. Understood? Who got this answer? Okay, very good. Right. You guys move on to question number 34, page 61. Page 61, question 34. Your time. Done.
Sir, what height, sir?
Yeah,
Too tall, sir.
that fella is like a coconut tree. What is the answer? C grams of chocolate is shared in the ratio 258. The difference between the largest share and the smallest share is 390 grams. Work out the value of C. Now, the largest is 8 and the smallest is 2. So the difference is how many portions? 6 portions. So 6 portions is equal to 390 grams. Then 1 portion is equal to how much? 390 divided by 6, that is 65 grams. Correct? So now they are asking work out the value of C. The value of C means C is the total amount of chocolate. No, C grams of chocolate is shared between this in this ratio. No. Total is how many portions? 15 portions. So C will be 15 into 65. 15 into 65, 975 grams. Is that okay? Yes. Can you have the next one? That is fine. Alexander. Right. Brandon, Asha, and Julie share some money in the ratio 3 to 6. Brandon, Asha, Julie. 3 to 6. The total amount of money that Asha and Julie receive. The total amount of money that Asha and Julie receive is $36. Whereas Asha and Julie gets 2 and 6, in total 8 portions. So 8 portions is $36. Am I right? Asha gets 2 portions, Julie gets 6 portions, that is in total 8 portions. Asha and Julie gets 8 portions, that is equal to $36. The total amount of money Asha and Julie receive is $36. So that means 1 portion is how much? 36 divided by 8. 36 divided by 8 is $4.5. Then the question is, work out the amount of money that Brendan received. Brendan receives how many portions? 3 portions. So it will be 3 into 4.5. That is $13.5. Correct? Yeah. Let's turn to page 63, question 37. Your turn. Why? Right. Bernard makes 300 celebration cards. So that she's making cards. The ratio of birthday cards to anniversary cards to congratulations cards is 753. Okay. 2/5 of the birthday cards have numbers on them. 36% of the anniversary cards have numbers on them. None of the congratulations cards have numbers on them. Work out one fraction of the 300 cards have numbers on them. Give your answers in its simplest form. Right, let me first find the number of cards. There's a birthday card birthday cards we have 300 into 7015. Because 7 is to 5 is to 3. 7 portions of birthday cards, and the total is 7 plus 5 plus 3 is 15. So the number of birthday cards is 300 into 7 over 15. That is 140 cards. Then the anniversary cards. We have 300 into 5 over 15. That is 100 cards. Then they are talking about having a number on these cards. They are telling 2/5 of the cards, 2/5 of the birthday cards have numbers on them. Let's see how many cards with numbers. Numbers are on how many cards? From the birthday cards, 140 birthday cards, 140 into 2/5. Plus, from the anniversary cards, which is 100 cards, 100 into 36% of the anniversary cards have a number on them. So 100 into 36%. That is 100 into 36 over 100. And then none of the congratulations cards have a number on them. So the number of cards with a number on them will be 140 into 2/5. That is 56. 100 into 36%, that is 36. 56 plus 36 is 92. 92 cards in total have a number on them. So the question is finally, work out what fraction of the 300 cards have a number on them. Give your answer in its simplest form. So the final answer will be 92 over 300. And when you simplify this, it's 23 over 75. I will in this answer. Giving you answer since they're asking a fraction, but it has a fraction. Work out what fraction of 300 cards have numbers on it. Is that okay? Yes.
So what question, sir?
No.
No, so it's a very important question.
Question number 40, page 66.
So it's question number 52, sir.
No, question number 40, yes. Yeah, question 40.
So we have another question.
40, not 40.
Sir, another question, sir. It's a very important
Hi, yes, question 40. Yes, it's about the farm. It's about chickens and ducks and hi, 40.
So what about the
No, what about the farmhouses? 40, question 40. Ratio. You're right. Read the question, we'll do it together. Right, on a farm, there are chickens, ducks, and pigs. The ratio of number of chickens to the number of ducks is 7:2. The ratio of the number of ducks to the number of pigs is 5:9. There are 36 pigs in the farm. Work out the number of chickens in the farm. Right, guys, now stop your work and look at the screen. Chicken is to ducks is to pigs. The ratio of the number of chickens to ducks is 7:2. Chickens to ducks is 7:2. Stop your work and look at the screen carefully. Ratio of the ducks to pigs is 5:9. Ducks to pigs, I will take it as 5:9. Now guys, this question is a bit different from the previous questions that we did. Now there are 3 items, but they haven't given or common ratio for all three. There's no single ratio connecting chickens, ducks, and pigs. There are two different ratios. One is to connect chickens and ducks. The other one is for the ratio between the ducks and the pigs. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a common ratio, a single ratio to connect all three. How do we do that? We'll multiply the two ratios. This ducks is the common one for both the ratios now. So we'll interchange these two numbers and multiply. Meaning, this first ratio I'll multiply by 5. Then 5 into 7 is 35. 5 into 2 is 10. The second ratio I'll multiply by 2. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 9 is 18. Now we get a single ratio. Look at this. Chicken to ducks is 35 is to 10. Ducks to pigs is 10 is to 18. So it is 35 is to 10 is to 18. That is a single ratio which connects all three. Understood? Okay. Now the rest we can do. Now they are telling there are 36 pigs in the farm. Work out the number of chickens in the farm. So that's the number. Pigs is now represented by 18 portions. Chicken is represented by 35 portions. Sorry. There are 36 pigs. 36 pigs is 18 portion means one portion will be 36 over 18. One portion. Then the chickens is 35 portions. You multiply that by 35. Understood? So 36 divided by 18 multiplied by 35 is there are 70 chickens. Understood? Exactly.
Actually, this is great.
Yeah, the next question, no? Yeah, next is, yeah, we'll do the 41st one.
Yeah. The next question. There is a
Pardon?
break. There is a break.
Okay, after the next question.
Yeah, no. Yes, okay.
Question 41 after that will
There is
be.
a break.
Okay, take a break and wait. 3 minutes, huh?
What else you want? Bruce.
Not discuss. I don't even know you. You got your list. Wait. Using your phone.
question 41. Hurry up. Peter owns a currency conversion shop. Last Monday, Peter changed a total of 20,160 rand into number of different currencies. He changed 3/10 of the amount to euros. He changed the rest of the rands into dollars, rupees, and francs in the ratio 9:5:2. Peter changed more rands into dollars. He changed more rand into dollars than he changed into francs. Work out how many more. Right. So guys, he changed 3/10 of the rand to euros. So how many euros did he? How many did he change to euros? 20,116 to 3/10. 20,116 to 3/10 is 6,040. Then the remaining will be 20,160 minus 6,040. The remaining is 14,000. 14,112 rand. Please stop talking there. The remaining is 14,112 rand. Now this remaining 14,112 rand is what he is converting into dollars, rupees, and francs in the ratio of 9:5:2. So dollars to rupees to francs ratio is 9:5:2. Am I right? So question is, Peter changed more rands into dollars than he changed into francs. How many more? So let me see how many dollars he got. Dollars will be, how many did he change to dollars? 9 plus 5 plus 2 is in total 16 portions. Correct? So from the remaining 14,112, the number of rands that he converted to dollars will be 9/16. That is 7,938. 7,938 he converted into dollars. Then how many did he convert into francs? That is 14,112. Francs is 2 portions, no? 2 out of 60. That is 1,764. So from the remaining, he converted 7,938 rands into dollars, 1,764 rands into francs. So the question is, Peter changed more rands into dollars than francs. How many more is the question? So the difference is 7,938 minus 1,764. $6,174 rand. That is the final answer. Correct? Understood. Any question? Right, guys, try the next one, 42nd one. concept. Right, okay. The people working for a company working team A or in team B, there are two teams. The number of people in team A to the number of people in team B ratio is given 3:4. 4/5 of the team A people work full time. 24% of the team B people work full time. Work out what fraction of the people working for the company work full time. Give your answer, give your fraction in its simplest form. Right, listen. Guys, let me take total number of people in this company to be X. Total number of people in the company is X. Then team A, how many people will be there? 3/7 of X. Agreed? 3:4, no? So that means from the total number of people in team A is 3/7, number of people in team B is 4/7. So the number of people in team B will be 4/7 of X. Agreed? Now let me check how many are working full time. How many full-time workers are there? Look at this. From the team A, 4/5 of the team A work full-time. Now in team A, how many people are there? 3/7 of X. From that 3/7 of X, 4/5 is working full-time. Plus, from the team B, how many are there in team B? 4/7X. That team to 24%. That is the number of people working full-time from the team B. So the addition of these two will be the total number of people working full-time. Let me check on that. 3/7 into 4/5. 3 into 4 is 12. 7 into 5 is 35. 12/35X. Plus 4/7 into 24%. 4/7 into 24% will be 24/175X. Check and see 4/7 into 24%. is 24 over 175. Now the total number of full-time workers will be 24 over 175 plus 12 over 35, which is 12 over 25 weeks. Understood? So the question was, work out what fraction of the people working for the company work full-time. If there are X number of people in the company, working full-time is 12 over 25 weeks. So what fraction of the total people working in the company full-time? 12 over 25. That is a fraction. Understood? From the total population, from the total number of people, 12 over 25 is working full-time. Okay? Got this answer? No problem. Right. Try the next one, 43rd. Right. Mariana sells bags of bird food. The bags that she sold last week each contain 12 kilograms of seeds. The bags that she is going to sell next week will each contain a mixture of nuts and seeds, where for each bag the nuts to seeds ratio is 4:5. The total weight of the nuts and seeds, the total weight in each bag will be 19.35 kilograms. The weight of seeds in each bag that Mariana sells next week will be less than the weight that she sold last week. Work out this decrease as a percentage of the weight of seeds in each bag that Mariana sold last week. It's a very simple question. Even though it's a lengthy thing to read, the idea is very simple. Guys, now the amount of seeds that she is selling this week in each bag will be 19.35 into 5/9. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? 19.35 kilograms is each bag, and the nuts to seeds ratio is 4:5. 4 portions of nuts, 5 portions of seeds will be there in that bag. So if you look at the amount of seeds in that bag, that will be 19.35 into 5/9. That is 10.75 kilograms of seeds. Correct? Now last week, when she sold, the bags that Mariana sold last week each contained 12 kilograms of seed. So clearly you can see, compared to last week, next week, the amount of seeds is lesser. From 12 kilograms, it has reduced to 10.75 kilograms. Agree? So the question is, work out this decrease as a percentage of the weight of seeds in each bag that Mariana sold last week. So decrease is how much? Decrease is 12 minus 10.75. That is 1.25 kilograms is the decrease. So the percentage decrease will be decrease over the initial value is 12 into 100. That is 10.4% for 1 decimal place. Who got this answer? Good, very good. Right, guys, mark this for homework. 45, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yeah, complete those for homework. We'll continue from here on the next week. That's it for the day, people. Bye, see you, take care. See you. Guys, see you, take care. Bye. Bye, see you. Bye, see you, take care. Why did you all go to the last row after the break? Huh?
Bye, sir. I'll see you again.
Huh?
barbecue chicken?
What?
Do you like barbecue chicken? Yes, right. So what brand is your microwave?
Microwave.
Yeah, what brand is your microwave?
Why are you asking me occupations?
just,
Tell.
what brand is your microwave?
That is my microwave.
Yes, what brand is your microwave?
Don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You never?
I have one, but I don't know the brand. Why?
I said.
Bye. See you. Take care.
We will talk.